nomination arose.
You please show me the rule how you are entitled for family pension
My lord,
or gratuity.
kindly allow me to read Rule 47, my lord. It starts with, my lord, I'm reading Rule 47, Sub-Rule 5. The period for which family pension is payable shall be as follows. In the case of a widow or widower, up to the date of death or remarriage, whichever is earlier. Second, in case of a son until he attains the age of 21 years. Admittedly, son of the deceased employee's major, my lord. And third, in case of an unmarried daughter until she attains the age of 24 years or until she gets married, whichever is earlier. So both this sub-rule, my lord, under Rule 6, 47, Sub-Rule 6 are not